नमस्कार। थर्ड ईयर फिजिक्स बीएससी पार्ट थर्ड ईयर फिजिक्स पेपर फर्स्ट क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स के वीडियो व्याख्यान में आपका स्वागत है। मैं अनिल कुमार गुप्ता, सम्राट पृथ्वीराज चौहान राजकीय महाविद्यालय अजमेर के भौतिक शास्त्र विभाग से। कल हमने ओरिजिन ऑफ क्वांटम फिजिक्स प्रारंभ किया था। मैंने आपको बतलाया था कि हम इस विषय से अभी परिचित नहीं हो पाए हैं। हालांकि सेकेंड ईयर फिजिक्स तक हमने सेकेंड ईयर तक लेवल पर जो फिजिक्स का विस्तृत रूप से अध्ययन किया है वो क्लासिकल फिजिक्स है। और क्लासिकल फिजिक्स को आपको ध्यान होगा, मैंने 3 वर्गों में डिवाइड किया था: क्लासिकल मैकेनिक्स, thermodynamics and statistical mechanics, electrodynamics. And after this classification we discuss the inadequacy of the classical mechanics, in which very important inadequacies are the stability of atom, the proton, neutron, electron motion within atom, black body radiation spectrum, and variation of specific heat of solid with temperature could not be explained even. There are several other problems also which are needed to be modified the present concept: photoelectric effect, Compton effect, Raman effect, and hydrogen atom. First real breakthrough came on 14 December 1900 when a German physicist, Max Planck, introduced the concept of quantum in energy. In his efforts to explain the picture of black body radiation, he succeeded in reproducing the experimental result only after postulating that energy exchange between the radiation and surrounding takes place in discrete or in quantize. It is the Max Planck who revealed and who support that energy of the system is in discrete system, it is a quantized system. Further, he argued that the energy exchange between the electromagnetic wave of frequency nu and matter occurs only in integer and in the multiple of h nu. So ground state energy is h nu, which he called the energy of quantum. The quantization of electromagnetic radiation turns out to be an idea with far-reaching consequence, and German physicist Max Planck got a Nobel Prize for his postulates, for his concept of quantized energy. With the help of this quantized picture, he is capable to explain the limitation of Rayleigh-Jean's law. He derived again a expression for the energy density in which he completely replaced the energy of principle of equal partition of energy by a quantum approach. He got a expression which was in matching with the experimental results as well as theoretical results. And for his work, he got a Nobel Prize. Scientist Max Planck, or by using his concept, We were in a position to remove the catastrophe like ultraviolet catastrophe. In 1905, Albert Einstein, again used his concept and gave a very successful explanation which we called the photoelectric effect. All the experimental results which was obtained by scientists Hertz could not be explained by using the classical physics, by the wave mechanics concept, by the wave theory. Einstein used the concept of energy which was given by German physicist Max Planck. Again he said that light is made of discrete bits of energy which we call tiny particles, photons. Einstein is very popular. Einstein is well established for the theory of relativity, but he got a Nobel Prize for the successful interpretation of photoelectric effect. In 1911, Rutherford gave an atomic model, and in Bohr postulates, if you remember students, he has used again Planck concept. Scientist Rutherford suggested that emission or absorption of radiation of atom takes place only in discrete amount of energy h nu, because it results from the transition of the atom between its various discrete energy states. And if you remember his second postulates, electron revolve in orbit in which the angular momentum is mvr is equals to nh upon 2 pi. So angular momentum is multiple number of h upon 2 pi. Niels Bohr predicted a satisfactory explanation for the several outstanding problems such as atomic stability, and also his concept used in atomic spectroscopy. In 1923, Compton gave the Compton effect, in which monochromatic high frequency X-rays are scattered by a metal, and scattered photon frequency or wavelength get changed, which we call as Compton effect. After the successful this Compton profile theory, Indian physicist C.V. Raman gave a concept of scattering of light, and later in stage his theory, his research work was popular by the Raman effect. All these above developments could be explained by the microscopic level. De Broglie, which he introduced the concept that not only does radiation exhibit particle-like behavior, but conversely, material particles themselves display wave-like behavior. And this de Broglie theory, his de Broglie concept was experimentally confirmed by Davison and Germer. Quantum mechanics started in 1900. During the 25 years, different concept develops, and within 25 or 27 years, it has got a separate branch of physics which we call quantum physics. In later stage, Schrödinger, Heisenberg, Dirac, there are different pictures in which we solve and we deal this quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics is the only valid framework for describing this micro-physical world. Physics of solid, laser, semiconductor, superconductor, plasma, nuclear particle physics, and all the basis of modern physics. The branch of quantum physics is considered to be the foundation of each and everything, even in chemistry and in biology too. Our space program cannot be succeed without the help of relativity. Present scenario of quantum mechanics explain everything from the periodic table to the existence of universe. The life-saving machine like CAT, PET, CT scan, MRI, on their existence due to quantum mechanics. The emerging field of nanoparticle is an outcome of quantum mechanics. Astronomy, astrophysics depends heavily on the relativity and the principle of quantum mechanics. Planck, who is supposed to be his father of this branch, when he gave his hypothesis, you will surprise, he did not realize that he had given birth of a new physics which has now developed into the powerful quantum mechanics. At a later stage, Planck's remark, it does not help. We have to live with the quantum bundle theory, and believe me, it will expand. It will not only in optics, it will go all field. We have to live with it. Dear students, I tried to make this philosophical discussion very interesting to you. Since quantum mechanics is a new branch for you, my sincere advice to go through the historical development. It will create a lot of interest within you, and this paper first, namely quantum mechanics, is very interesting and going to be helpful even in your post-graduation studies. Tomorrow we shall discuss black body radiation, and we see how the Planck hypothesis remove ultraviolet catastrophe and how the Rayleigh's law was successfully established within matching of experimental and theoretical results. Good day.